Hey guys, so Creality has finally released a video to talk about their new Sprite Extruder for the Ender 3 Neo series. That's the Ender 3 Nero, the Ender 3 version 2 Nero, and the Ender 3 Max Nero. And basically what we have here is a new version of the Sprite Extruder called the SE. And it looks to me like it's basically an eFit direct drive upgrade for the Ender 3 Neo series. That meaning, unlike the other Sprite extruders for all their other machines, where the Sprite extruder replaces the entire hot end and is one standalone unit, this thing appears to mount on top of the current hot end fans and hot end cover, the same way the eFit direct drive does for the original Ender 3 series printers, where the extruder just mounts on top of the hot end. What's interesting is they do put this thing together in this little official video that they make, lacking any narration and including annoying music. And then they go ahead and show a demonstration print. And the demonstration print has the worst skirt and first layer ever. It's terrible. Otherwise, this looks like a very easy to physically install and wire eFit Sprite upgrade for the Neo series. And some of you that want to print things like TPU or just don't feel like dealing with extruders and Bowden tubes might find it appealing. So here it is. Check it out, and I guess you can consider one for your Ender 3 Nero printer. And oh my lord, look how terrible this print is. It's even got warping. Look at the base. Oh well, there it is, guys. That's all I got for today.